so here I am. I'm going to demonstrate on how to assemble a desktop display stand. It's pretty easy, very cute. These are good for reception at the doctor's office, anything that has limited space, counters. So there's a simple instruction there, and we've got a already done print. So there's only 3 components to this. We've got the base, the top, and the back, which is the pole. Okay, so let's put it together. Just take off the sticker. So here we are, we're just about to put the pole in. Just put it all in, like so. And before you pull out the pin, just make sure you're holding it down so it doesn't retract. Click it on the top, and there you have it.